Mechanic Cycle. My name is Alfonso Califano. I'm Italian. I've been racing for 35 years. I've been 40 years motorcycle mechanic. So I'm here in this channel hoping to help you to understand and set up your bike, probably ride better, safer, and improve your lap time. Today, we are going to talk about ergonomics on this Aprilia RS660 2022. We talk about fairings. We have these beautiful fairings from Moto. We got this choice because we love this tail section, which is a very wrapping, very close to the frame, very ergonomics. Which one will help you guys to squeeze your legs, your inner thighs to the gas tank, very narrow on your butt, and which one will improve your grip, your stability on the bike, leaning, and on high speed on the straightaway. This fairing is made in 5 pieces, which one have the tail section is fixed with only 4 screws, very quick and easy to take care of. We have 4 screws on the top, 2 over here on the seat, and 2 under the sticker over here. 4 screws you can take care of, and you can have access to your ECU or your whatever you have on under your seat. And the main fairing is made in 4 pieces. The main fairing, which one is easy to take care of with 2 screws on top over here, and 2 screws on the sides, one on the left, one on the side, on the right. As well, our belly pan easy to take care of with 2 screws, one left and one right side, and 4 quick release screws. You can take care of your belly pan. We also have 2 wings. Those 2 wings, one left, one right, made to fixed with 4 screws. Those are made for a little crash. You can easily take care of and replace the parts in no time, and very economic. It's not really expensive. When you have to choose your bubble, your windscreen, a suggestion is to find something really blow the air pretty higher, because there are many kind of windshield. They are really low. They don't have this double bubble, and they're really low, which one it push the wind against your helmet. In this case, with this line here, your helmet will be covered from the wind, from the force of the wind. So let's move on now and talk about triple tree, clip-ons, and footrest, and engine covers. So we choose Spider because beside the beauty and the CNC work done, they are lighter and easy to install and replace parts in case you need it. So if you suggest to change those, if you still have the stock parts, because stock parts really soft and for street riding, not for racing. So this setup will give you a better racing position, a better feeling for the cornering. So we have Spider clip-ons, which one you can see with 1 screw. In case you crash, you can just take off and change your clip-ons with a screw, very quick and easy, which one is very cheap. You don't need to change all the clamp. And one of our important things, the brake lever protector. This is very important because it protects you hitting the other riders or crashing or hitting cones. It will protect your brake to be pushed and crash. So levers important too, have to be foldable. As you can see, if you go down, the lever has to be bent up or down to not be crash. If you crash this way, you cannot keep on racing. As well, we suggest a brake adjuster on the left side. As you can see, this is very important. It's the Spider brand. It sometimes happens when you race on your track day, when you brake hard braking, your brake can lose your is power, and due to the heat, they all get overheat, and you're gonna lose the brake, and the brake gonna touch on your finger. As you can see now, I show you now how to do it pretty quick. In few clicks, there you go. Your brake is already gone. Good. Look at this. And you go up and down. You can adjust your brake based also on your length of finger. Sometimes some people are shorter finger, you can be closer. Longer finger, you can be forward. So that's very important, and suggest to do it. Foldable lever, brake adjuster, brake protector, grips. Let's talk about grips. Choose the grips that you like the most. You can feel the good grips, not too soft, not too hard. This is a pretty good grips, Domino brand, Italian brand. Once you install your grips, always remember, use the safety wire and special tool, special plier.
How thick is the wire?
We have two different kind of thickness. On the grips, you use 0.21 inches or 0.53. For different kind of safety, probably suggest to use the 0.41 thickness. Which one I use on the, you can see something more, to be more stronger. On the front sprocket, I use the 0.41. 0.21 on the grips. I show you how to do it. So you take enough length of safety wire. You do 1, 2 loops, close it. Don't stay open like this, horrible to see, to watch. So stay closed as much as possible. 1, 2 loops. You use your grips. With the grips, you can find the right tightness. When you see the grips going, the safety wire go inside the grip. You can see, you're good. Cut it out, leave about 1 centimeter plus less. Once you cut it, you put the plier and you gently bend like this, let's say 90 degrees, and push that down inside the grip. There you go. There we go. Which one won't allow your gloves or your hand when you move the bike to pinch your finger or your leather gloves. Easy and smooth. So let's move to the foot pegs. At this point, we still have spider foot pegs. Besides some adjustment made for my own style rider, I had to change the lever for personal reasons. Anyway, you have many point of adjustable for the foot peg. For my height, not so tall guy, I had to choose on top of the adjustable, and so adjust those based on your height, on your feeling. Okay, you can go up and down. As well on the toe lever, you have a pivot on the toe, which one you can adjust you a centimeter forward or backward. You will adjust this one based on the size of your boots. Okay, guys? And the other side we have, let's go on the brakes as well. We have position adjusted for the foot peg. Again, try to make the same spot. Don't go higher level for backward. The same spot. And as well on the brake, you have the foot peg toe, 4-point adjustable. Based on my boots on 9 sides, I feel good on the same spot, second spot. As well, talking about spider, we can talk about engine cover. It's very useful, and track days or racing is required. You must have it. So this one prevents you on crash to break the engine cover and spill oil on track. As well for clutch cover and breather. And the other side we have a stator cover and water pump cover. Over here I can see one crash save my cover and not spilling oil. And over here we have the water pump protectors. Thank you everybody for watching. This is the first episode of 6. Next time we'll talk about suspension and brakes. This channel is made for prepare you racing. Thank you everybody to watch the first episode of 6. Next time we talk about suspensions and brakes. My name is Alfonso Califano. This is Unique Cycles. Please like and subscribe. Thumbs up. Ciao, ci vediamo alla prossima puntata.